In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile on Glassdoor. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to edit, and how to make your profile look polished and up to date so you get better matches from employers and job alerts. First, open your browser and head to glassdoor.com, then sign into your account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Make sure you're using the account you actually apply with, so the details you update here match what employers see elsewhere. Once you're in, look toward the top of the page for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Profile from the menu. That takes you straight to your profile dashboard, where everything important lives. If you don't see the option right away, give the page a quick refresh, then try again. On your profile, find the My Information section. Click the pencil icon to start editing. This is where you can update your employment status, your full name, your most recent job title, your location, and your industry and specialization. Keep each field clear and current. For example, if you've changed roles recently, use the title a recruiter would search for, and make sure your location reflects where you're job hunting. For industry and specialization, choose options that accurately match your experience and the kind of work you want next. Quick note: I've placed the Glassdoor website link right at the very top of the description so you can open it instantly and follow along while you watch. After you've made your edits, click Save. Don't skip this step. If you navigate away without saving, your changes won't stick. You should see your updated information reflected on the page right away. If you'd like, you can also upload or update your resume. Scroll down to the Resume section, click Upload Resume and select your file. Glassdoor accepts PDF, DOCX, DOC, RTF, and TXT. A quick tip here: PDFs usually preserve your formatting best, and giving your file a professional name helps it look organized when employers download it. Before you wrap up, take a minute to review your profile from top to bottom. Confirm that your job title, location, and industry are accurate. Your name is spelled correctly, and your employment status matches your situation. Consistency matters. What you share here should align with your resume and any other job platforms you use. Keeping your Glassdoor profile updated helps the platform suggest more relevant jobs and makes it easier for employers to find you. That's all you need to do to keep your profile fresh and effective. If this walkthrough helped, don't forget to check the link in the description, update your profile today, and thanks for watching.